In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept donations on your Wix website and how you can do this all completely for free. So what you want to do is first go to your website that you want to edit. Obviously go to My Sites, log into Wix, and then choose the website. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Add Elements, and we're going to go ahead and add a PayPal element. Now you want to go to search and you want to add this specific element. So go to search and type in PayPal. You can see I've already got it typed in here. Then you should see apps for your site. You now want to open this one here, which is PayPal button. Now, if you click on this, you're going to need to download it, but you can download it for free. You can see I've already got it added to my site. I'm going to click add again, and it then should add this button to my Wix site. Now, you can drag this anywhere, but I'll just keep it on the home page for this video. Okay, so now we need to click on this element. We can now go to settings, and we want to configure some stuff here so we can make sure this is all working. So first you've got templates. So you can go ahead and change this straight away to a donate button. And you can see instead of saying buy now, it changes to donate. If you then go to settings, you then want to connect payment accounts. So go ahead and enter in your PayPal email here. Or if you've got Stripe, you can use Stripe or other payments. But you are going to need the premium plan for that. So use PayPal if you want to keep it free. Then here you've got payment notifications. Maybe you want to send notifications to your email when someone donates, so that's good to have. You can also add an autoresponder email, so when people donate, they get an email which you can custom write saying thank you. And you can see I've already got an email here, but if we wanted to create a new one, we could just basically configure this to say thank you for your donation, and this will automatically be sent out after the donation. If you go to product, you've got product text, donation, payment option, a fixed amount or flexible amount. So if you click on flexible amount, people can then donate whatever. So once you've got that done, we'll publish and we'll just take a look here, view site. Make sure you have connected your PayPal account though, otherwise this won't work. Okay, so now we've got the donate button. If someone was to click on that, it would open this window where they can enter in an amount to donate, and they can then donate with PayPal. That's how you can add a donate button to Wix completely for free.